nayo mphakathini yini silwa nayo ungesabike ndoda amandla amandla yanibingelela nonke ka eMshwazi yanibingelela nonke kwamawadi aseMshwazi ngithunywa umphakathi waka Ward 10 la ngine memorandum kakhulukazi ibhalwe ngelanguage angale kodwa sizozama ukuthi siyilalele ukuthi ithini ngiyikhulume ngesiZulu kodwa abaphathi bamasipala bazokwazi ukuthi ithini futhi zonke nezinto engingazange ngizisho ezinye bazoyisayinela okuchaza ukuthi basazoyibona i-community yaseMpolweni ka Ward 10 iyazi ukuthi umasipala waseMshwazi kanye yonke ama-ward nama-officials akamasipala are-regulated aphethwe umthetho okuthiwa uMunicipal Structures Act 17 of 1998 uphinde umasipala nomuphi conform to Municipal Systems Act 32 of 2000 and then the Municipal Finance Management Act la emphakathini wethu sinenkinga yomamkhansela wethu uMiss Hlengubani usanda kufonela imember yomphakathi yacela ukuthi kufake kwimemorandum ukuthi wathi uzoba nabantu abazombona lowo muntu loyo ukuthi usebenza kanjani ochaza ukuthi inkabi lezo okwesibili lapha emphakathini wethu khona ama learnerships esesitholile ezama members omphakathi ukuthi aphumile manje lama learnerships sithe siphatha kabi ufakazi siphethe ezumphakathi ukuthi amanye awo ama members athole lama learnerships abantu abasebenzayo abantu abangayidingi abangawadeserve okunye futhi ngalama learnership abazange batshela umphakathi akuzange kube khona meeting eshow khona ama learnership khona itender yepipe ekade ikhona empolweni isizophela ama subcontractors akhona they were not transparent ukuthi kungenwe kanjani ama business people asempolweni asale ngenalutho okunye imayilana nokuthukwa umamkhansela kumphakathi uyakhala kakhulu umphakathi umamkhansela uyawuthuka akawa addressing ngendlela ama issues now khona ama vidrain akade akhiwa lapha empolweni the same contractors or the same people akade besebenza kwama vidrain sibabone besebenza epipini ezumphakathi okunye futhi khona iproject ekhona njengamanje yeclinic ekakaqali le project kodwa ngokwakhe bisiqalile because bese kukhona imshini ingakathulele umphakathi bese kukhona yonke into etshengisa ukuthi iproject isiqalile empolweni but umphakathi awazi masipala nama leaders amasipala sicela ukunitshela ukuthi sinika u7 days nathi as uWard 10 na wonke amanye ama-ward kungonjalo siyazi ukuthi khona la i-breach khona i-conduct meaning iyicala into ade yenza nabanye futhi ubahamba namacala laba amakhansela ama members akade esho uqaleni okuchaza ukuthi singalivula icala ni step down ngeforce ngiyabonga